Meaning of emote.
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 Emote. Emote means to display emotions or moods through gestures and facial expressions. When someone emotes, they are typically trying to convey their feelings in a visible way, such as smiling, frowning, or laughing. Emoting can also refer to expressing oneself through written or spoken language in a way that conveys emotions, such as using emoticons or describing one's feelings in expressive language. In short, emote is a verb that describes the act of expressing one's emotions in either a physical or verbal manner.